Okay guys, so I tried that hard. Didn't really work out, but look at how perfect that looks like. So I might be not a professional barista, but the coffee for sure is perfect. Alright guys, we also have a cake, that coffee with a cake, homemade. Today's book is This is Marketing by Seth Godin.
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel.
Make them golden. And today's breakfast will be eggs with bacon and toast. Yummy.
Code in my phone, what numbers do I still have? Who do I
Let me
know
go back
from the past?
to edit. You're thinking about starting with content creation? Let me tell you why you should do it. So you always had in mind to start with creating content, but never really stepped into that game, invested in some gear and just pull out your camera and started recording. And now you're searching maybe for some videos that gives you inspiration and motivation and some tips to know how and why to actually start. Just for you to have some context, I'm someone who invested a lot of money and time in creating content, for example, just on YouTube, without even having YouTube paying me for that. And then you might be even thinking, okay, I have 10 subscribers, or not just YouTube, maybe Instagram. And why should I invest? Because I'm not gaining any money. But let me tell you one thing, like everything that you're investing right now will eventually lead to the fact that you're making money, and even way more than you invested. So for me, all of that, this gear, my camera, the microphone, like all the GoPro, whatever, name it, that's all an investment for me, because creating content is the future. Just being a content creator, people actually miss out on the fact how much money there is in content creation. Like fame comes with it, money comes with that, like all of that comes with being a content creator, because you build up a community, you gain followers, you gain subscribers, and people want to get back to you, be like, hey Chirag, I know you, oh no, you're fame, let's do something again. But that's not the case. The case is that social media in general is something that will increase over the next period of time. And in order for social media to work, we need content creators. You might be saying now, okay, AI is there, so we're gonna create a bunch of content with AI. But these human connections, emotions, journeys, ups and downs, adversities, all of that is something where you actually connect with people. I was reading that book, This is Marketing by Seth Godin, and for you to just understand that marketing is not just about running paid advertisement campaigns, because back then marketing was advertisement, but now it changed, the culture changed. So marketing is not just advertisement, it is connection, it is a community, it is changing something, helping people to overcome something. That is marketing as well. So for you to know that you have the ability to change other people's life is marketing. So you being a content creator, you having the community, you can change your community. I was actually coming and stepping foot into that content creation game because someone inspired me to do that. I was watching his videos and I wanted to help other people as well, because he might be helping a lot of people, but I have a different niche. I'm half Indian, for example. I can easily address Indian people. I can easily address Indians who want to make something out of them. And I have the European flair as well. So I'm half European, half Indian, and I can address both of these people because I'm living their culture. That's me. And I'm into fashion, I'm into dressing well, I'm into educating myself about psychology, human behavior, nonverbal communication. There's so many topics I educated myself on, and I'm just 21 years old. And I know I can help other people who are 21 years old, or who might be 25 years old, because all of the time that I invested in, I would never have that time, because I'm not working a 9 to 5. Like the last couple months, almost now years, I've actually quit my 9 to 5, in order to step foot into that discomfort zone, because everything I do is new for me. So it's a discomfort, you know, talking to the camera, networking with people, negotiating prices, offering my services, invoicing people. Like, there's so many more things that comes with entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship and being a content creator is also kind of being an entrepreneur, because you are not just in charge for the content that you're creating, you're making money with that. So that turns you into a businessman. You are creating, of course, content, and that's your main income, but you are having a community. And then there comes the turn and that twist. I'm telling actually everyone, become a content creator. If you have the passion to talk to someone, to talk to the camera, to inspire people, to be open, to show your life, show your lifestyle and connect with people, then do it. Because now comes the very important thing. The educational niche is, like Forbes said it themselves, it is going to turn into a $350 billion market by the year of 2025. So what it means is that this educational niche is increasing, and so does the value of the net worth of it as well. Okay, get back to the topic. So what does that mean for you as a content creator? It means if you're starting now, like in the next years, the market will increase, so does the money in that as well. The value will increase, so you can make a bunch of money, even being the hundreds in that list, you know? Like, it's not being number one. It's being even the 100, you can still make millions of dollars, because the market value is so high. So number one might be making billions, number 100 might be just making millions, and then there's like being a couple thousands, you making, like, you know, like the market is so big, and you stepping into that game now will give you the leverage and the knowledge to be on top of it when this market is exploding. Because right now it's not even in the booming phase. It's still like coming up, it's still something new. New education, online courses, ebooks, coaching classes, all of that is coming. It's slowly coming, it's slowly approaching. And now it has a little bit of a hype. So I tell everyone, go into content creation, build a community, build people that knows your story, that are interested in your story. Now the interesting fact comes, that's why I'm leaning forward. You can make a bunch of money, and I'm not telling that from just like a thought or a dream. Look at Iman Gadzhi. Look at Andrew Tate, Luke Belmar, Hamza. All of these people that are actually these, you know, top people in that self-development niche, and a lot of people are watching their videos. They are making a bunch of money with YouTube videos alone because they are monetizing it. But the main income is selling info products, selling their online courses, selling their online coaching, selling their PDF, their ebook. And I'm following their steps, to be honest. I'm being really honest here. Like the last couple of years, I spent a lot of time in investing into my craft. I created content over content. I built my community on Instagram. I got paid promotion through content creation only. I built my own brand, and brands reached out to me. Because to be honest, all of that cold calls, cold emails, let's say maybe out of a 10,000 I got 20 replies saying no. The reason that I made money is because of my personal brand, because I leveraged my content creation. I every day was consistent and uploaded day in and day out. And then I built that community, and I had people that reached out to me and actually paid me money for doing what I love. Imagine getting paid for your passion. And now I want to tell you that I'm stepping foot into that selling info products as well. And I'm telling you that before even having any course online yet, because I would just being honest with you. I want to help you as a human being. I want to give you value. And this video is something that no one talks about. This topic is something that no one talks about. People are selling info products and they're gonna be rich because you are buying their course. Not because they have the best social media marketing agency, the best business, and the best whatever their current profession is. Iman Gadzhi is an amazing guy, and I really, he inspired me to also step foot into social media marketing. And he was also the reason that I started my agency. But he's not making money with a social media marketing agency. The reason he got rich and wealthy is because he sold the passion that he had. He sold his informations. He sold his knowledge in courses. He made an agency, startup, skyrocket course, something like that. And then he helped other agencies owner to become and make money as well. I'm not saying that these courses are no use of help, but understanding that bigger picture is that I made a lot of money with content creation, being really honest. And it's an amazing way of creating cash flow. And I needed that cash flow for my marketing agency. And now I have even clients for my marketing agency based not just on that content creation. So they saw that, they saw my edit, everything, and then they reach out to me, can you do that for my brand? And now I have paid clients that give me a monthly salary, and that's like a monthly fixed income every month. But understanding that bigger picture, if you want to make 6-7 figures, like in order to come to that point, you have to sell info products. And that's what I'm doing right now. I have a free ebook running. I'm running a email campaign, for example, getting the emails. And now I'm launching, and I was creating something big on the 1st of May. And I'm someone, like, I really try to give you some value here. And I could have been just lying in that sense and being like, oh, I make money. And in order to make that money, buy my course. I will just be honest here. I just put my card on the table that I will make money because you will buy that course. I'm currently making money, of course, with content creation, and I can show you how you can make thousands of dollars every month. But that's it. Like, you can't make, I think you can't really make millions with that content creation. You can, but it takes time. Until that point that you make so much money, you will have millions of people that know you, so you can just sell them something. And now I'm gonna tell you, if you want to make not just a couple bucks, I can teach you easily making 1,000, 10,000 a month. Like, content creation is like a big market. Brands have money for marketing, so you can easily make 2 grand with some posts, you know? Like, one deal gives you 2 grand and you have 2,000 in maybe 1-2 days, you know? Easy, that's easy. But if you want to make millions and become one of the top 1%, then it's only possible for me in my aspect with info products. And now I'm showing you, I'm creating that, so you can just follow my journey. Just see, okay, right now his first link is a free ebook. What happens is, I'm being honest, you get that free ebook. Of course it has a lot of tips, and that's what I want to give. I don't want to just scam people. Like how I created thousands of followers on Instagram, I just give you my tips, what helped me. So you get that free ebook for your email. Now what I'm doing is, I already have a couple emails, and now if I create, it's already done, but if I publish my online course, I will reach out to these emails who are already interested in and sell them my course. And now I try to scale up my course, because the course is already there, it's already uploaded. I just have to get more people to buy that course. And then that's the shift where I can make from 10 grand a month to millions each month, because the course is already there. So I don't have to create more. I can just focus on myself on marketing and promoting that course, which is already there. The only investment that I had to do is knowing my craft, and I'm knowing that craft since I'm doing it since years, you know. So I'm just like actually recapping my journey, how I made my first deal, how I scale up my deals, and how I made an income to be able to just have that content creation as an income and working not a 9 to 5. And now the bigger picture, as you might be seeing, is that I have an online course. I will sell people the informations that I actually gained over the last years through experience, through buying other people's courses, through watching videos, educating myself with books, courses, whatever. And then I'm selling this final product for you. And of course that final product will help you. But now I'm giving you the knowledge, free knowledge, that this is just one step in that whole content creation game. And that's why I'm telling you, start with content creation, because now after you have the experience, the testimonials, and you're already in it a couple years, then you can leverage that knowledge and sell it with courses. And if you have that knowledge and sell it with courses, people will buy it off. And I know already that people will buy my course, because I am just being honest. And my course is not just about, oh, this hashtag fit and then people will follow you on Instagram. It is actually all of my informations, being honest, being just how I made it. And this course will help people to make money. I know it 100%. like, I made money out of it on my own, and now I'm giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can make it. And I'm there, I'm not just giving you the course, there's even a WhatsApp group and you can always hop on a call with me to ask questions and whatever. And I'm giving you the information. But for you to know it's a course, and that's the reason I will make more money with my content than with my content creation. And I'm telling you that because I'm honest. And telling you that is, I want you to do the same. I want you to do what I do. So follow my journey, see how I do it. Okay, he started with content creation, he gained a lot of experience through years, and then he started with online courses. And then through a lot of years and temp money and everything, he scaled up his online course till the point that he makes millions. And now he's showing other people how to do courses. For example, like, sky's the limit. And I want to tell you, do it as well. Follow my journey, just, I'm being honest. I tell you exactly how I do it, how you can do an online course, all of that. And then you can see that this is actually the bigger picture. The bigger picture is selling a product, an intro product. And this is the reason all of them are rich. Andrew Tate, Iman, Luke Belmar, all of them, Hamza, all of them, they are just rich because of that, because they understood that this is what's important. And I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm gonna show you the marketing strategy, I'm gonna show you how I promote it, and I'm gonna give you that all for free. I'm gonna create YouTube videos along my journey. That's what I wanted to do. I will make money, and there's a couple people that actually buy that course because I have to pay my bills as well. I will create a paid one as well. But till then, I will give you all of my knowledge and my behind the scenes and my predictions and my strategy for free on YouTube in my videos. So for you who want to make first couple bucks, if you just wanna have, like, that's also okay. If you wanna have $5,000 to $10,000 every month, you live a good life, you know? You can travel wherever you want. You can buy whatever you want to have. Of course, there will never come the point that you be able to buy a house, buy a nice car without saving money, but you will still live a good life. So you will get even more than your 9 to 5 currently, for sure. And if that's your goal, then just stick to content creation. Just become a content creator, create content for brands, create content for your own, monetize your passion, and that's it. But if you want to become the 1% that are able to buy a house, cash, then info product is the goal. And I will go that journey now, telling you even in front. I could just, you know, sneak it from behind and just telling you all the time I'm just doing content creation and I'm making $100,000s of dollars every month. But that's not the case. I'm making thousands. I'm making good money with content creation. That's why I'm able to stand here and follow my passion and not work in 9 to 5. But I'm now hitting, and my goal is that I told you, become a millionaire in 2 years. And the only way to do this for me is to sell an intro product. And I'm gonna show you that along my journey. Just follow my journey. I'm gonna document my whole journey from the point where I am right now, making a couple grand with content creation, to the point that I'm making a couple millions with selling intro products. And I take you along. I show you what I try, how I do it, how everything from scratch, I'm starting it, you know, and I take you along with that. Become a content creator first and then sell info products is the main goal. That's a bigger picture. No one of all these big people will gonna tell you, because they're gonna sell you the dream that you're gonna be a millionaire with the marketing agency. Being really honest, it takes a while to making even the first buck, you know, like it takes me almost a year to get my first client. And in order for that agency to pay me, that I don't have to work in 9 to 5, took ages. Like, it's now almost 2 years old. And now it slowly, you know, pays off. I'm still not at a point where I can live a good life, but it slowly pays off. So it's giving me the cash flow. But the bigger picture is info products. So I will take you along with my journey. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We're gonna hit an amazing outro. Yeah, I hope you understand what I mean here. The outro comes in 3, 2, 1.
That man buy 100 bags, be right here whenever you need me. I need you to know that your son's got your back. Like, mama, I owe you everything, can you believe that? Everything, come and repeat that. And when I make a song, you give me feedback. I watch you plant the seeds and then you reap that. Made a little money from trees.